Integrating AI, cloud computing, and automation in a mono-carton manufacturing plant enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and optimizes production. This guide explains the process, requirements, and timeline for a smooth transition. As a mono-carton plant owner, you may wonder how AI, cloud computing, and automation can benefit your operations. Modern technology can help reduce waste, improve efficiency, and lower costs, but understanding the process, requirements, and timeline is crucial before making a decision. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you navigate this transformation. Before implementing technology, it's essential to understand why it matters. AI helps predict machine failures, optimize material usage, and detect printing defects. Cloud computing allows real-time monitoring of production, inventory, and order management from anywhere. Automation reduces manual errors, speeds up repetitive tasks, and improves overall efficiency. To successfully integrate AI, cloud, and automation, your plant needs a. Digital data collection. Install IoT sensors on machines to collect real-time data. Use AI-powered cameras for quality control and defect detection. Implement an ERP system, like SAP, Odoo, or Oracle, to manage operations. b. Infrastructure and hardware upgrades. Ensure high-speed internet and cloud connectivity. Upgrade to smart machines that support automation. Use AI-based tools for demand forecasting and supply chain optimization. C. Workforce training and support. Train employees on new technologies for smooth adoption. Partner with experts or IT service providers for ongoing support. 3. Step-by-step implementation process. Phase 1. Planning and consultation, 1 to 2 months. Identify key areas for improvement. Consult with technology experts to select the best solutions. Set goals for automation, AI integration, and cloud adoption. Phase 2. Pilot testing and small-scale implementation, 3 to 6 months. Start with a small project, example, AI-driven quality control. Monitor performance, gather feedback, and fine-tune processes. Phase 3. Full-scale deployment and optimization, 6 to 12 months. Expand AI and automation to other departments like inventory, supply chain, and customer management. Continuously optimize workflows using AI analytics. 4. Estimated timeframe. Short-term, 0 to 6 months small-scale automation, AI-based quality control, ERP implementation. Mid-term, 6 to 12 months full-scale AI adoption, cloud integration, IoT-based machine monitoring. Long-term, 12+ months AI-driven decision-making, predictive maintenance, and end-to-end automation. Final thoughts. Transforming your MonoCarton plant with AI, cloud, and automation is a step-by-step process. By starting small and scaling over time, you can ensure a smooth transition while maximizing efficiency and cost savings. If you need help choosing the right technology or partners, let's discuss further.